Hello students, how are you all? First of all, good morning everyone. So we will start the remaining chapter 3, uh, characteristic of plastic. So I think we have discussed the type of plastic, the thermosetting plastic and the thermoplastic. Okay, so we will discuss here today the characteristic of plastic. Firstly, we will discuss about the toughness. So the plastic toughness toughness or tensile strength, both are the same. So now we will start. Plastic vary in their tensile strength from material to material. Plastic have much less toughness as compared to metal and alloy like steel. Means toughness is totally depend of the materials that we use to prepare a material to the plastic. Okay, now if we talk about the lightweight, so you know very well plastic are much lighter in weight as compared to wood, metals, etc. Now the third is chemical reactivity. So what is the means of the chemical reactivity? Means the plastic does not react to any conditions. It means that plastic are not affected by acids and alkalis. It is neutral. Okay, and it is not damaged by acid and alkalis. You have seen a number of time when you use the iron ball or glass or means stainless steel glass, when you put it into some acids or base, means alkalis. So after sometimes what you have seen, what do you observe on that time? That particular metals, it start corrode. Okay, means the metal has been damaged by the acids. Okay, and it is the form of rusting. But plastic are not affected by any acids and alkalis. Now appearance. So being a transparent plastic material can be made, they look like glass. Plastic can be colored in any color and given any shape and are used for making large variety of household products. And that is the main quality of the plastic you have seen a number of times and you know very well. Okay, now we discuss in the point 5 the weather resistance. So the plastic are not biodegradable. That is why they do not change their weather, unlike natural fibers like cotton and wool. Means it is not affected by the weather. It doesn't matter now the weather is cold, hot and rainy. Some metals, they get corrode when they are a big moisture in the air. Okay, so that means they contain a food material of a same appearance. Means they protect the particular material from the weathers if we put in the plastic bottles or any other plastic containers, so that is safe on that time. Clear that? Now we will discuss the thermal conductivity. So in that is the very poor character of the plastic. Means plastic are the bad conductor of heat. For this reason, the handle of the cooking utensil are made of plastic material. Means, have you seen the cooker in the kitchen and a number of fry pans? Have you seen the handles are always made up of the plastic because they are the poor conductor of heat. Means poor conductor means they can't conduct the electricity and heat also, so they cannot pass the electric current or heat through them. So that is the thermal conductivity. Means they are bad conductor of heat, or as well as electricity. We can use the plastic in many electric appliances to protect ourselves from the current. Okay, that is the thermal reactivity, or not a reactivity, we can say that the conductivity. Conductivity means the in the simple words, when anything conduct the particular any characteristic uses or particular basis. Okay, that is a thermal conductivity. So we can say that plastic are the bad conductor of heat, means they cannot conduct the electricity of or heat. So we can use the plastic for the handle of the cooking utensils. We will discuss the another character of the plastics. Firstly, electrical conductivity. So as the same, the plastic do not conduct electricity. Means this property of plastic is used for making electric appliances like switches, iron, torches, bulbs, holder. You can see everywhere the electric appliances. Okay, and you have seen, and that is the continuously using at your home, and you can see the number of things are also made up of the plastic because they are the lighter in weight also, and they contain they makes the material durable. Okay, in any circumstances. Now circumstances means it provide the material from the weather. It doesn't matter what type of weather on that time. It's maybe a hot season, rainy season, and any other seasons. Now the eighth characteristic is the solubility in water. So there is no effect of water on plastics. These are insoluble in water. When you want to dissolve the plastic in the water, so it cannot be dissolved. Now think about it. If the plastic bottles are able to dissolve in the water, so why we keep the water in the water bottles? Because the water bottles is also made up of the water. Sorry, made up of plastic. Am I right? And if we talk about the effect of flames, so plastic melts on bringing closer to flame. Have you seen a number of time if you take a plastic bottle and bringing it closer to the flame, so it gets melt? Have you seen a number of time the water bottle gets melt when we bringing closer to the flame? And after that uses, we have a common plastic and their uses. So we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much for that. Okay.